Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Animojis are fun. By default, Apple allows you to send Animojis or Memojis to your iMessage application. But how do you send the Memojis to WhatsApp or another social media application like Instagram? Let's find out. Go to your messages. You cannot directly send Animojis or Memojis to WhatsApp or another social media platform, but there is a small trick. If you do that, you can easily send Animojis across any other platform. So when you go to the messages, send an emoji to yourself. Click on Animoji icon. Apple gives you huge variety of Animojis you can choose from. And if you are not satisfied, you can create your own emojis. Apple gives you lots of functionality in terms of creating your own emojis, like the skin, hairstyle, head shape, eyes, brows, nose and lips, ears, facial hair, eyewear, headwear. For example, I have created this one. Once you are satisfied with the result, either you can start sending it or you can click on the side 3 dot to again edit it. You can even duplicate the Animojis right from here. Now Apple has set a default duration for an emoji, which is 30 seconds. So once you have done your editing of your Animoji or Memoji, you can click on the red button. Maximum time allowed is 30 seconds. Hi, how are you doing? This is my test for one of my videos in YouTube. Once you are done, you can just click on the red button again. Hi, how are you doing? This is my test for one of my videos in YouTube. So the message will replay itself. If you like what you have shot, you can just click on the blue arrow icon and you can send it. And suppose you don't like the message, you can delete it right from here. So let's send it. You can see sending emojis. So when you click and hold, it will give you these options. Save the message in your photo gallery. So once you have saved the emoji in your photo gallery, it becomes very easy to send it across. Go to WhatsApp. You can choose any of your contacts in WhatsApp and click on the plus icon, choose photo and video library, and that's about it. You can just edit the time also, and you can send it as you send any normal video. And not only WhatsApp, you can also add a feed in Instagram. You can choose this Animoji or Memoji. You can post it in Instagram. You can choose any social media platform like Facebook Messenger, Instagram. Once it is in your photo gallery, you can send it anywhere. Wasn't it easy? Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future, and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.